Well, that's an impressive sunset tonight. Sun's actually setting over there, but there's a rainbow right there. So cool.
Good morning, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. It's a little bit windy out there. And when I say a little bit, I mean actually a lot for Kelowna. In fact, these guys over here, they're listening to copyright music, and about 10 minutes ago, they were practicing on how to land while parachuting. So they were jumping and kind of floating halfway down the field and then landing or crashing. I wish I'd have been paying attention a little bit sooner. So I figured it would be a perfect opportunity to share a little bit of knowledge with you on how you can save a ton of money on some maintenance. Although this will be specific to my GLA35, I'm assuming that the A-Class, the CLA, and the GLA, as well as the GLB, should all be very similar, if not the same. And of course, I'm talking about the passenger compartment filtration element, also known as the cabin filter. Now, I choose to go to the dealership to purchase this sort of item. So cabin filter, engine air filter, engine oil filter. Now, the reason for that is because I trust them, quite simply put. Although I don't speak German, so I have to assume that first line is the same as the second line, which is fine particle filter. It almost looks like a furnace filter, actually. This one is very thick, very heavy, and lots of writing on how to put it in properly. All right, so I've kind of jumped ahead one step here. It's peel the carpet back. Right, just there. I have the floor mat in the way. Over in this corner, way up there where you can't see because I didn't bring a light, you'll find this little cover. Squeeze the clamps, pull out your old filter. Old filter, pretty nasty, full of stuff. That's why you should change this at least once a year. For reference, there's charcoal and whatever they call it for making it smell nice. And just like that, filters changed. Took me about 5 minutes and I had no idea what I was doing. Not really worth $150 at the dealership now, is it? Easiest way to test that that filter's installed right is to go for a drive. If you have no whistling noises or funny smells, then you probably did it right. And although it's cloudy and windy, it is quite a beautiful day here. It's about 12 degrees Celsius. Spring is in the air. And just like that, you've saved yourself a whole bunch of money doing some very basic maintenance that really should be done on a very regular basis. Like I do it every year, more often if we get lots of fires and stuff. Already I've noticed the car doesn't smell like campfire anymore. So, great success! But with that, I want to say thank you very much for coming along on today's little DIY adventures. And hopefully you enjoy the sort of random content, whether it be driving, going to a racetrack, working on cars, or checking out cars, learning about the history of different brands. Well, that can all be found here on the Everyday Adventures channel. So please subscribe, leave likes on videos, and we will catch you on the next adventure.